Did you know that there are more overweight people in the world than underweight? In fact, approximately 1.9 billion adults are classified as overweight, with 650 million of those being obese. This staggering statistic sheds light on a pressing health issue that affects countless individuals across the globe, reflecting not just a personal challenge, but a societal one that influences everything from healthcare systems to public policy. But here's something that might just crack you up. One simple ingredient in your fridge could help you lose belly fat in just 3 days. That's right, folks. Today we're diving into the incredible world of eggs and uncovering the shocking truth about rapid weight loss. Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today we're embarking on a myth-busting journey to explore how you can effectively lose belly fat fast. And the secret may be lurking in your refrigerator right now. Yes, we're talking about eggs, the versatile little orbs of nutrition that often go overlooked. Over the next few minutes, we're going to uncover why most weight loss methods fail, the surprising benefits of eggs for weight loss, and a specially designed 3-day plan that could help you shrink your waistline using eggs. So let's get started. First, let's delve into why many popular weight loss methods end up failing. The truth is, a significant number of people fall victim to the allure of crash diets. While they might seem like a quick fix, they can backfire in the long run. When you drastically reduce your calorie intake, your body enters a state known as adaptive thermogenesis. This is your body's survival mechanism kicking in, mistaking your drastic cut in calories for starvation. Imagine your body is like a car with a gas tank. When you suddenly run low on fuel or calories, your engine metabolism starts to slow down to conserve energy. It's like putting your car in neutral while going downhill. It might roll for a bit, but it's only a matter of time before it grinds to a halt. But here's the real kicker. When your body starts breaking down muscle tissue for energy, you not only lose weight but also decrease your metabolic rate, since muscle burns more calories than fat. Consequently, when you return to normal eating habits, that sluggish metabolism leads to faster weight gain, often resulting in more pounds than you originally lost. Think of it as trying to navigate a road trip with an empty gas tank. You're not going to get far. Another common pitfall is the multitude of miracle supplements promising rapid weight loss. The weight loss supplement industry is worth billions, yet many of these products lack solid scientific backing. They often rely on the placebo effect or temporary water loss, creating an illusion of fat loss without addressing the root causes of weight gain. For instance, a review published in the International Journal of Applied Exercise Physiology examined 12 popular weight loss supplements and found they all lack sufficient evidence to support their efficacy. Instead of fixing the leak in your roof with buckets, why not fix it properly in the first place? And let's not forget the extreme detox programs. Your body is already equipped with a highly efficient detoxification system, primarily your liver and kidneys, which work tirelessly to filter toxins from your system. Detox diets or cleanses can disrupt this natural process, leading to harmful consequences such as electrolyte imbalances, which can be dangerous for your heart. Research published in the Journal of Human Nutrition and Dietetics has shown no scientific evidence supporting detox diets for weight management or toxin elimination. Instead of resorting to harsh cleanses, support your body's natural detoxification with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, coupled with adequate hydration. Think of this as giving your car regular maintenance, rather than flushing out the engine with toxic chemicals. So what's the takeaway? Sustainable weight loss isn't about quick fixes or extreme measures. It's about making long-term dietary and lifestyle changes you can maintain over time. This is where our excellent solution comes into play. Eggs are not only incredibly nutritious, but also play a pivotal role in any weight loss plan. Each egg is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, D, and E, B vitamins like B12, and important minerals like selenium and zinc. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining healthy skin, boosting your immune system, and supporting brain function, making an egg a mini multivitamin in your diet. But wait, there's more. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein. One large egg contains about 6 grams of protein. Protein is vital for building and repairing tissues, but it also plays an essential role in hunger management. Foods high in protein, such as eggs, take longer to digest than carbohydrates, keeping you feeling fuller for longer. This means you're less likely to snack mindlessly before lunch after a satisfying egg breakfast. Let's break this down further. When you consume protein, your body releases a hormone called peptide YY, which is responsible for promoting a feeling of fullness. Research has shown that protein-rich meals lead to higher levels of this hormone, which may help reduce your appetite. So, by incorporating eggs into your breakfast, you're setting yourself up for success, helping you resist those pesky midday cravings. The high protein content also stabilizes your blood sugar levels, helping to curb cravings throughout the day. When it comes to calories, eggs are remarkably low. Each large egg contains only about 75 calories. In comparison, a slice of bread can pack in 80 to 100 calories, and that's without any toppings. By incorporating eggs into your meals, you not only get a wealth of nutrients but also create a calorie deficit, which is essential for weight loss. This is crucial because for effective weight loss you need to burn more calories than you consume. One of the most appealing aspects of eggs is their versatility. Whether you prefer them boiled, scrambled, poached, or in an omelet, eggs can fit seamlessly into almost any meal of the day. This adaptability helps prevent boredom, making it easier to stick to a long-term weight loss plan. From hearty breakfast omelets filled with colorful vegetables to quick salads topped with hard-boiled eggs, the possibilities are endless. Incorporating eggs into your diet can also provide significant health benefits beyond just weight loss. For example, the choline in eggs supports brain health, and several studies suggest that consuming choline-rich foods may improve cognitive function and memory. Plus, eggs are a source of healthy fats, specifically monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are essential for overall health and can help reduce bad cholesterol levels. Now, let's explore a simple 3-day egg diet plan that could kickstart your weight loss journey, particularly targeting belly fat. While this plan is designed for quick results, remember it's not meant to be a permanent lifestyle change. Here's how it looks. Day 1. Start your day with 2 boiled eggs, providing a solid dose of protein to keep you full. Pair it with 2 fresh tomatoes, which offer fiber and essential vitamins, such as vitamin C and potassium. Finish with a cup of green tea, known for its metabolism-boosting properties and antioxidants. For lunch, enjoy 2 egg whites with 4 ounces of fish, such as salmon or tuna, rich in omega-3 fatty acids to support fat burning and heart health. Don't forget another cup of green tea to aid digestion and keep your energy levels up. Indulge in a refreshing apple as a snack, providing natural fiber and vitamins while satisfying your sweet tooth. End your day with steamed vegetables like broccoli, spinach, or carrots, which are low in calories yet high in fiber and nutrients. Pair it with a cup of herbal tea to help relax and prepare your body for rest. Day 2. Start with 2 boiled eggs and a banana for natural energy and potassium, essential for muscle function and preventing cramps. Pair it with your usual green tea for continued metabolism support. Savor 2 egg whites with 4.2 ounces of skinless chicken breast for lunch, providing lean protein to help build muscle while you burn fat. Enjoy green tea to keep your metabolism humming and help with fat oxidation. Treat yourself to a handful of carrot sticks with a low-calorie dip for a snack, offering crunch and satisfaction without excess calories. Finish with a piece of whole grain rusk and 4 ounces of cottage cheese for dinner, packed with protein and calcium. Day 3. Kick off your day with 2 boiled eggs and a glass of tomato juice, packed with antioxidants and vitamins, particularly vitamin C, which can help boost your immune system. Have 2 egg whites with 4.2 ounces of cooked red meat, such as lean beef or turkey, at lunch, offering high-quality protein and iron for energy. Enjoy your cup of green tea, which continues to aid digestion and enhance fat metabolism. Conclude with a baked potato topped with a small amount of Greek yogurt instead of sour cream for dinner, providing complex carbohydrates for energy while remaining low in fat. You can also include a side salad to increase fiber and nutrient intake. By following this 3-day plan, you can kickstart your weight loss journey, utilizing the power of eggs and nutritious foods to help reduce belly fat and improve overall health. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before making any significant dietary changes, especially if you have underlying health issues or specific dietary needs. So there you have it, an incredible insight into how you can tackle belly fat effectively and sustainably. Eggs can be your secret weapon on this journey, helping you achieve your goals while enjoying delicious meals. As always, remember that consistency is key, and incorporating eggs into a balanced diet can lead to successful, long-term results. Thank you for joining us today. And I hope you found this information exciting and enlightening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our health tips.